Are you tired of watching your child cry over fraction? Let me show you the simple fraction trick that I teach my students that make them fall in love with fraction. Now we'll be performing this trick on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let's add 3 over 5 plus 2 over 3. We have 3 over 5 plus 2 over 3. This is the simple pattern that you will use for this. You multiply like this. You more like we are cross multiplying. You multiply this way. 3 times 3 will give 9. That will be for the numerator. Then plus you multiply this way. 5 times 2 will give 10. Then you say over. Then you multiply the denominator. 5 times 3 will give 15. So that this will give 9 plus 10, that's 19. So the answer will be 19 over 15, and that will be one whole number 4 over 15. So instead of going the LCM route, you can just solve it like this. Multiply across like this, then multiply the denominator. Let's solve for subtraction. We have 7 over 3 minus 4 over 6. 7 over 3 minus 4 over 6. So it is the same method. It's just that for the addition, we added, but for the subtraction, we will be subtracting. So that we will cross multiply the same way. We multiply this by this, multiply this by this, then multiply this by this. So that we will have 7 times 6 is 42. 4 times 3 is 12, then over 3 times 6 is 18. So this will give 30 over 18. And we can, when you are solving fraction, don't leave your answer like this. Make sure you simplify it further. So 6 will go in 30 5 times, and 6 will go in 18 3 times. So the answer now will be 3 in 5, 1. That's one whole number, 2 over 3. So now what about multiplication? We have 2 over 5 times 3 over 7. So if we have 2 over 5 times 3 over 7, for multiplication, you just have to multiply this way. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator, so that we have 2 times 3 will be 6 over 5 times 7 is 35. That one is very straightforward. It's very simple. So for division, we have 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 6. So for division, don't forget that for multiplication, we just multiply the numerators and the denominators. But for division, we will be multiplying this way. You multiply this way over, then you multiply this way. That is 2 times 6 would give 12 over 3 times 4 would give 12. 12 divided by 12 will give 1. Let's recap. If you are adding, you multiply this way, that will be for the numerator. Then you multiply this way for the denominator. So this is for addition and subtraction. And if you are if it is multiplication, you multiply across like this, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. But if you are dividing, you multiply this way, then you say over, you multiply this way.